Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
Soak 1/2 cup of wheatgrass seeds in water for 8 to 12 hours, then drain and rinse well to wake them. Prepare a shallow tray with 2 inches of organic potting soil and drainage holes, tamping lightly so the surface is even. Rinse seeds and spread them evenly to avoid clumping, because overlapping creates mold pockets. Press seeds gently into the soil to ensure contact. Keep work area clean and use filtered water to reduce contaminants and create consistent. Spread soaked seeds in a single layer and press gently into the soil. Do not bury more than 1/8 inch because wheatgrass needs light to sprout. Expect germination in 2 to 3 days and cover the tray with a damp paper towel during this stage to hold moisture and speed rooting. Keep the tray at about 70 degrees F and provide bright indirect light or a fluorescent grow light once sprouts appear. Avoid direct afternoon sun to prevent scorching young leaves and stunted growth. Water from the bottom or mist the shoots daily to keep the soil evenly moist but not waterlogged, and ensure good ventilation to prevent mold. Harvest when grass reaches 6 to 8 inches, usually 7 to 10 days after planting, by cutting with scissors 1/2 inch above the soil level to avoid pulling roots and compacting the tray. Store harvested wheatgrass refrigerated in an airtight container for up to 5 days, or juice immediately for best nutrients. You may get a smaller second growth if you rewater and care for the tray.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.